I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get medium pet treats. Selecting the right treat size is crucial for your pet's safety and enjoyment. Medium treats are typically designed for dogs weighing between 20 and 50 pounds, ensuring they are not a choking hazard and provide adequate chewing satisfaction. We'll cover key considerations like ingredients, types, and where to find the best options for your furry friend, making treat time both fun and healthy. When choosing medium pet treats, consider their purpose. Dental chews, for example, can help reduce plaque and tartar buildup, contributing to better oral health. Training treats are usually bite-sized, making them perfect for positive reinforcement during training sessions without overfeeding. You might also explore natural chews like bully sticks or dehydrated sweet potato, which offer longer-lasting engagement and can be a great source of enrichment for your pet. Understanding treat ingredients is vital for your pet's well-being. Look for treats where the first ingredient is a named meat, like chicken or beef, and avoid vague terms such as meat byproducts. Steer clear of artificial colors, flavors, and chemical preservatives, which offer no nutritional value and can sometimes cause digestive upset. Opt for treats with natural preservatives like mixed tocopherols, ensuring a healthier and safer snack for your beloved companion. You can find a wide variety of medium pet treats at specialized pet stores, large retail chains, and numerous online platforms. Always check the expiration date before purchasing and consider buying in smaller quantities if your pet is trying a new treat. Proper storage is key. Keep treats in an airtight container away from direct sunlight and humidity to preserve their freshness and prevent spoilage, ensuring every treat is as delicious as the first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.